Alfonso with Stock Market Cash Flow TV, and I'm going to be trying something new and different. I'm going to be creating a watch list. I actually tried to create this watch list last night before my 2-year-old daughter got here, but I didn't get it done because I don't know, I just had some other stuff going on, and I got tired and I fell asleep. And I was trying to get up early this morning and get it done before she woke up. And it seemed like this little girl knows exactly when I wake up. And she got up and she's up here in my office with me, destroying my office actually. But I'm going to try to get through this video and get it done because I don't have it. But anyway, I'm going to try to make a watch list and upload the video every Monday morning before the markets open. And these are momentum stocks, and you can see here this is a list, and all of these stocks have a score of 90 to 100, and you see all green trade triangles. But all of these stocks are not going to move very fast. I'm looking for momentum stocks, and I'm looking for stocks that's going to move 5% in one day or within the next 5 days. So this watch list is for the week of June 27, 2022, and I've actually already went through this whole list and done some research on every single one of these. I looked at the charts and I found 4 that I believe have enough momentum in a bear market to do at least 5% this week, maybe today. We'll see. I got the entry prices and I also got the target price, and we're going to go through them one by one, and I'm going to try to make this quick because I'm already at 2 minutes. So MRSN, Mercerna Therapeutics Inc. I got it on the year-to-date chart. See, we got the MACD crossover here. MACD came in on June 17th, and you see the spike up. RSI is at 74.02. I mean, large just a little bit. You see it's in overbought territory, but we got the green monthly trade triangle on June 24th. So this stock is about to take off. We got the SARS down here. The SARS is curving up, it's pushing it up, and you can see where the Bollinger Bands are widening. So this is about to come back in. I don't know if it's gonna pull back in or just gonna shoot straight up. We'll see. Let's see, the entry is $4.86. Target price is $5.10. Next, ACTG. Have the MACD crossover here, June 21st. RSI is at plus 63.60. It's not, sweetheart, don't play on those stairs. Alright, large just a little bit. Has a score of 90. We got the SARS under here. It's getting into see, it's into overbought territory and crossed over the Bollinger Band. But we got the monthly trade triangle on June 24th. So we got the momentum. Sanaya. Target entry price is $4.96. Target price is $5.20. Weber, W-E-B-R, Weber Inc. MACD came in at May 24th, 2022 Down here, let's see, we're getting up here. RSI is at 67.68. Enlarge this a little bit. You see, this is in series overbought territory. We got the monthly green trade triangle on June 23rd here. But you see it's starting to pull back in. But the Bollinger Band is starting to widen. And we got the SARS. Weber entry price $9.56. Target price $10.03. FOLD. What is that? Amicus Therapeutics Inc. MACD came in on May 12th, 2022. Way down here, you got the crossover. RSI is at 77.03. Enlarge this. We got the monthly green trade triangle here, and you see it's pushed it up. But it's in overbought territory, so it's going to pull back somewhere, probably around in here. It's going to. Now this widens today. It might not pull back that much, but we still got the SARS, which means it's in an uptrend. And that's all I have for the day. Fold is entry price is $10.45. Target price is $10.97. And I will be posting the progress on these trades, on these equities, in the community section of my channel, so you can check back there later on today and see if any of these equities hit the target price. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.